Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use a profit boost on Hard Rock Bet app using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Hard Rock Bet app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now go to promotion or reward section. This is where Hard Rock Bet show any available profit boost on your account. Make sure your profit boost is active and check any rules like minimum odds or expire date. Next, scroll down and tap on any sports you like. From here, you can choose any sports you want to bet on. After that, tap on any option to open base slip. Now open the base slip by tapping it into the amount you want to wager. If your bet qualifies, you will see an option that say apply profit boost or use boost. Tap this option to activate the profit boost or your bet. Once applied, you will see your potential winnings increases on the screen. Take a moment to review the bet details including the boost payout. If everything looks correct, tap place bet. You will see a confirmation message letting you know the profit boost was successful. After placing the bet, you can track it by going to my bets or open bets in the app. And that's it. That's how you use the profit boost on the Hard Rock Bet app using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.